Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a great supplement that you can start adding into your routine. If you're someone who's starting to get a little more health conscious, as we grow up we want to kind of focus on putting good things into our body, and sometimes we need a few supplements to help kind of give us that extra push that we need. So today I'll be introducing you guys to Enzymedica. This is their Digestive Gold, and this is their most advanced enzyme formula. And as you guys can see, this has 120 capsules in this. And if you're not familiar with what a digestive enzyme is, or you haven't taken this kind of supplement before, basically what a digestive enzyme is going to do is it's going to give you that extra support when you're eating foods that might be harder to digest, to break down. If you're eating kind of fast food, or stuff that is like meat, or stuff that's harder to digest or takes longer. A lot of times there are people who are actually lacking digestive enzymes. For example, myself, I have a hard time kind of breaking down gluten and stuff like that. So if you're someone like that, it's really critical that you incorporate a digestive enzyme into kind of your lifestyle. It's going to make a world of the difference. You're going to see your stomach is going to actually have support with these digestive enzymes. You'll be able to digest your food a lot better, a lot faster, without any of the bloating, any of the discomfort that you might previously have experienced. So what I like about this is if you have occasional gas, bloating, or indigestion, it's naturally going to break down the building blocks of the food, like the fats, the fibers, the proteins, the carbohydrates, and this is going to prevent any discomfort from the start. And what makes this supplement great is that it's actually 3 times stronger and 6 times faster than your normal digestive enzyme. And this has ThoroBlend enzymes in it, which is going to actually help with the pH range of the entire body. And also this is an eco pack, which is renewable, and it's also plant-based materials, which is really nice. So Enzymedica focuses on reducing their carbon footprints, which is really important for a company to kind of have those standards for their business. So you're going to take this with one meal depending on what your body needs. I also wanted to mention that Enzymedica is actually a big supporter of autism. A lot of times, children with autism have digestive issues, so it's great that there's a brand out there that kind of supports this issue and cares about contributing their part to improving the lives of people with autism. And again, this is vegan, kosher, it's non-GMO, and this is the #1 best-selling brand. So inside you're going to see a whole bunch of capsules like this. 120 capsules are inside. It's a resealable bag, like so, and this is what it looks like. So there you have it. This is the Enzymedica Digestive Gold enzyme supplements, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're someone who's looking for this kind of digestive supplement, be sure to check out the link in my description box. They have a wide variety of products for your needs, whether it's food intolerances, or if you need some support with digestion. They have a whole bunch of nice products to try out. I really encourage you guys to test them out. It's really important to take some supplements once in a while to give your body that extra support that it sometimes needs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!